Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my happy home. I'm your host Arelis. In today's video I am showing you how far along I am. I am in the process of renovating my home. If you have missed that, I have two videos up explaining in details what I'm going to do and a purging video. Today is going to be a little bit of purging as well, but I wanted to share with you how far along I am in the process of purging and packing up my living room. And as you can see, I still have a lot of stuff lying around still, but you guys, I am so far along. It doesn't seem anything like it, but everything, well, mostly everything is packed up. I have a bunch of my trays here and a bunch I donated. But anyway, there is still one more dresser to pack up, and I will do that in a minute. These boxes have been standing here for 2 weeks already, and I need to take them upstairs, and that is another room that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And here I have 4 more empty boxes. I'm not sure if they're going to be enough. I think I'm going to need about 2 or more, maybe 2 or 3. But anyway, I wanted to put all the packed boxes upstairs in my spare room, you guys, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. This is my spare room. Now, don't judge me. Yes, it is one total mess. And to be honest, it is a little bit more messier than it was because I already started doing some decluttering. I have this closet here where I have most of my table runners, my pillow covers, my curtains, and as you can see, also a bunch of wrapping paper. And you guys, this room I use for just about anything. I have a lot of home decor up here and here as well. I need to purge these as well, but those are gonna have to wait for another day because it is just simply too much. Now I have some old and some new throw blankets that I purchased, so that is why I am decluttering this closet, because I need some space to store my new throw blankets. And yeah, so much stuff lying around, you guys. When the reason that it all accumulates like that is because after I switch from decor, I just leave everything out here. Now here you can see how I organized everything. It all looks so very nice and neat, but I'm not sure if it is going to stay like that for long, because knowing myself, if I need something, I will just pull everything out and it will be one hot mess again. Now up there were all my curtains that I switch out throughout the seasons. So yeah, this is the room that I'm going to be using for storing all those packed boxes. Now let me show you how it looks like after I did most of the purging and decluttering, you guys. The result are 3.5 bags of stuff that I'm ready to donate. I have this basket with my Christmas books I have to put away still. As you can see, there is still a lot that can be put away and purged, but I'm going to do that another time, because basically I just do not have the time to do all this work right now. For me, it was most important thing to clear out this space so I can put all my packed boxes. Now I'm just showing you that everything is still the same on top of these closets. Now I packed my car with the bags that I filled and some throw blankets that I was going to donate as well, and a bunch of other stuff, you guys. Let me show you the bag here. You can see some of my trays, some other decor stuff that I am donating. So, and also in the trunk of my car, I also have some stuff that I'm going to be showing you. But anyway, my car was packed up with a lot of stuff. And you guys, this is the 3rd time that I packed up my car for the thrift store. So here are all the stuff that I just donated to my local thrift store, and you guys, they were so happy with this. And here you see that I already started putting up some packed boxes here. And here are the home decor stuff that I still had out. And you guys, I really wanted to film the purging of this room, but there wasn't enough space for me to even set up my tripod. So that's why I did it off camera. Now, what I'm going to show you now is how I clear up this dresser. I've had this dresser for quite some time, and I am thinking, or I'm actually certain, but I still haven't found one yet, but I'm going to switch it out for a new one. So I'm going to be giving this to my mom when I find a nicer one for myself, a little bigger than this one. Now, I'm going to start by getting 2 garbage bags, one for the stuff that I'm going to put in the trash. I'm going to have a box for the stuff that I'm going to keep, and the second garbage bag is going to be for stuff that I'm going to be donating. Now, to be really honest with you, I am going to go through this very fast, and I will have a good idea of what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to throw out and what I'm going to donate. But when I'm going to put this stuff back, I will do another round of purging, going through them again, thinking of what to keep and what to donate. Now, I had these super cute, and they are so pretty, battery operated tea lights, but I'm going to be donating all these that are not on a timer, you guys. I just do not want to use those things anymore, just turning them on and off. It really drives me insane. So I'm going to keep only the ones that are on a timer, and all the others I'm going to be donating. So that was the first drawer, and I just noticed these stains, and I have absolutely no clue where they came from. But anyway, the first drawer resulted in half a box. You guys already have a box full. And yeah, I think I'm going to be needing about 2 boxes for this dresser. And next I'm going to start with the second drawer. And as you can see, I cannot even open it, so full it is. But anyway, let's get started and clear up this second drawer. like I said, 2 boxes for the dresser. And here are all the boxes stacked that I got packed up so far. And some other stuff, some bags that I had full of stuff. You've seen these downstairs as well. Now I think I'm going to have to add, I think maybe 2 or 3 more boxes, because I still have to pack up my pantry cabinet downstairs in the kitchen, and that will be it, and I will be completely done, you guys. I cannot believe it, and I am right on time. Now, as messy as this space was, look at it right now. I am so totally satisfied with the result so far. And I still have to put away my pillows, but somehow I cannot get rid of them right now. I still need this space to feel a bit cozy, because it is so bare and so empty already. Now, as you can see, I still have to put away a little bit more decor, like those LED candles. And here I have my home theater set. I decided to sell that because I want as minimum as I can. I have those 2 standers in the back and I just want to get rid of those. So I'm just going to be using the sound from the TV. I'm not picky, so if it has a sound, it is all right by me. And I have my Xbox, and I'm going to be giving that to my nephew, and I think he's going to be so excited about that. And here my dining space and the space around my mirror, everything is cleared out. And like I said, my pantry cabinet that I still have to clear out. Oh, before I forget, here my printer. This I also have to pack up, but I will do that later because I still need it for work. But anyway, I have now 3 more boxes left. And my credenza is all cleared, just some bigger items that I need to put away. So yeah, I am really satisfied. And oh yeah, what I wanted to say, here my pantry cabinet, this has to be cleared out as well. And I'm going to be doing that at the final point before I move everything out. And I think most of the decor in the kitchen is going to stay. They are going to tape this off before they plaster the walls and the ceiling, so I don't think I'm going to be clearing that out anytime soon. So yeah, that is it, you guys, and look at how this space is looking. I am so happy, and I am so excited for what is to come. And there is still a lot I need to do, like taking down my curtains, taking down those wall shelves and my stair railings, you guys. But I will wait for the last weekend to do that, because it is just taking them down and putting them away. But basically that is it, you guys. I am so happy that I made it. Like I said, I work best under pressure. Now, this is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you like this and that you are still following me on my journey, because the best is yet to come, how this all is going to be looking after I'm done. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one really soon. Till then, always remember to live, laugh and love, and always stay safe. Bye.